Hello, dear friends. Hello and hello. Do you have your cards sorted? If you don't, and you want to, you should see the first part of this activity. And you can check where that is on the YouTube channel. If you don't, no problem, we're going to do it together. And if you're doing it by yourself, and that is a blast, all these ways, or what is helpful to you, is the best way to use these materials. All right, we've been talking about different things you can have fun doing and build strong hands doing and learn in terms of numbers and numeric logic and spatial reasoning and shapes and colors and problem solving and puzzler answers with things you have around the house. And we're talking about cards. Now, how many piles of cards did we come into this activity with? They're right there. You want to count them? 1, 2. You're absolutely right. 1, 2. 1, 2. We know how many cards are in a deck of cards already. Who remembers? Yeah, great. That's right. There are 52 cards in this deck. And we know that there are 52 cards in this deck because we've counted them 2 different ways and many times. The first way we counted them was by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. We took the cards and we made different piles of 10 cards each. We made 5 piles that each had 10 cards. So we counted, skip counted or hop counted by 10 5 times. And that gave us the 50 in the 52. And there were 2 left over. That was the 51, 52. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. And the other way we counted was to count them 1 by 1. And it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And we went all the way 1 by 1 up to 50, 51, 52. So however we count it, we know that we have in a deck, there are 52 cards. And now we have 2 piles of cards. What do we know? We know a deck of cards has 52 cards. If there are 2 stacks of cards, and we know there's 52 all together, when you add them up, then we know that are you ready? Some of you brilliant, amazing sapling champions already knew what I was going to do. Let me do it a little more clearly. Let's make a stand out of it so it can stand up. See, I'm figuring out and problem solving right now. I thought I was going to do it one way, But then I realized it's much more important that you are able to see this very easily. So what do we know for sure? We know for sure in a deck of cards, if it's a full brand new deck, there's going to be 52 cards. We took the cards and we made 2 piles. And they're going to be one of 2 colors. What colors are they, guys? Yes, red and black. Excellent. This stack, what color? Black. Excellent. This stack, we put all the red cards. Excellent. So whether it sits in 5 piles of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, or 2 piles, there's gonna be the total of 52 cards in one new complete deck of playing cards. So this pile plus this pile will be 52 cards. So friends, this pile of cards plus this pile of cards equals 52 cards. Now I'm going to have to get creative and problem solve again, because again, I thought you were going to be able to easily see something that you're not able to easily see. And that isn't helpful. So we're going to go like this. This pile of cards plus this pile of cards. And then we're going to use this. See how I'm problem solving along the way? We actually do that all the time. Our brains are such amazing, helpful tools. They just tinker and help us use our gifts and talents and problem solving in the moment. So we're talking about numbers and puzzles and challenges and reasoning and logic and problem solving, and we're doing it. Okay, so we have 52 cards that we know are in a full new deck of cards. We know and have counted this deck of cards several times together and gotten 52 cards. Doesn't matter how many piles, if we count them 1 by 1, or we count 5 piles of 10, or we count 10 piles of 5, plus the extra 2, 52. So we absolutely know that this pile of cards plus this pile of cards equals 52 cards. And we sorted the cards red and black. Okay, so what color is the first stack of cards? You're right, they're black. Let's count how many. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. There are 26 black cards. How many black cards were there? You're absolutely right. 26. Okay. We know and have just counted there are 26 black cards. Guys, do you have a guess? Do you think the number of red cards is more than 26, less than 26, 26, or let's decide to problem solve and just count them? Whichever way you guesstimated, or you calculated, or your hypothesis, or your let's get ready and count them, let's do that. But we do know one more thing, don't we? We know that 26 plus this many, however many red cards there are over here, equals 52, don't we? Cool, right? We're using what we know and we're putting it in different places. And we're realizing that there's a lot of things we can understand playing and having fun sorting a deck of cards. What color are these cards going to be? Yep, I heard red, diamonds, hearts. Okay, they are red and there are diamonds and hearts. Excellent. Are you ready to count them? Let's see if we have more than 26 red cards, less than 26 red cards, the same 26 red cards, or can we hurry up and count them, please? But whatever it is, the 26 black cards plus the number of these red cards is going to equal 52 cards. We do know that. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 20. I hear cheering. Oh no, I lost count. Oh, no problem. Okay. 24, 25, 26. I got the giggles in the middle. I'm sorry. I just very much enjoy having fun with you. Okay. How many did we count? Even though we kind of giggled at the end? 24, 25, 26. That's exactly right. 26 26 red cards, 26 black cards, and 26 red cards. The black cards also have shapes on them. Those are called suits. And we talked about clubs and spades. But all the black cards are black cards, spades and clubs, and there are 26 black cards in a deck. There are also 26 red cards in a deck of new cards. The red cards in a deck have different shapes on them also, like the black cards. There are also two kinds of shapes, like the black cards, and like the black cards, they're called suits. The shape that's on a black card or a red card is called a suit. And the suit of the red cards are hearts and diamonds. And the suit of the black cards are clubs and spades. But all of the cards in this pile are red, whether they're diamonds or spades. We've counted them. We know that. And all of the cards in this pile are black, and they're spades and clubs. And we counted them, and we know that. And we know there are 52 cards in a deck of cards. So playing with cards, look at what we learned. How to make a math sentence and its answer, its solution. The solution is the solve of the puzzle. 26 plus 26 equals 52. 26 plus 26 equals 52. And we will have more fun to do, ways to grow our hands, use numbers and puzzles, and be together soon and very soon. We'll be doing more of these. Namaste. Miss Sage loves you.